According to the Bank of America, free financial literacy for beginners improves financial decisions by 20%. And 1 out of 4 participants of their Better Money Habits program benefits from their free resources. But where can one find educational material on how to be financially free? Looking for financial education. Here are the 7 best resources to improve a beginner's financial literacy. Number 7. Social media. We might underestimate the importance of social media, but the landscape can be beneficial for improving your financial knowledge. Whatever social media platform is available to you, there is a legion of financial experts there. That right there is your golden ticket. Follow those accounts as they constantly drop helpful tips and are specially designed to help them gain followers. Granted that there may be some content that goes a bit deeper into technicalities, overall their content will target non-professionals. Moreover, you'll be scrolling on your social media anyway, so why not consume the information you need? If you want to take it further and consult them in person, that also comes with other benefits, as we shall share later in the video. Number 6. Podcast. We can all squeeze in a podcast when we can, whether we are working out, driving somewhere, or doing chores at home. Whatever the activity, there is a worthwhile podcast on a platform for you. Some of the most famous and well-beloved financial literacy podcasts include the Investopedia Express, Millennial Money, The His and Her Money Show, Money Girl, Planet Money. These include financial advice for married couples, global economic happenings, influencing the local economy, fan questions and expert answers, and many more. Maybe you are better off with visuals to complete the actionable advice and tips. Do not worry. We have some recommendations on YouTube coming up for you. Number 5. Financial newsletters. We all have some publications we trust to give us sound financial advice. For example, Smart Strategies is Athene.com's trusted financial newsletter. There are others in The Economist's, Forbes, Financial Times, or Wall Street Journal. These financial and lifestyle newsletters are from trusted sources and aspire to help you get to the next level in your financial journey. Further, once you are subscribed to them, you also have to read and apply all of them. Pro trick: pay attention to the publication's hosts and guests mentioned on the podcasts, and then subscribe to their newsletters. Number 4. YouTube. First and foremost, we are the best finance channel on YouTube. There is no doubt about that. However, we are kind enough to share the spotlight with others who might come in second place to us. These channels include Apple Crider, VIP Financial Education, Clever Girl Finance, Kaplan Financial Education, DB2 Financial Education. Again, remember that we are the best at improving financial literacy for beginners. However, if we have to share the stage with others, we will mention these channels for their comprehensive content. We hope you have subscribed to this channel already. Please do so before you check the rest out if you have not. We do not want to remind you that we are the ones who bring you the best cross-sectional beginner finance videos, and therefore your ultimate choice for financial content. But we just did. Number 3. Community events. Earlier, we spoke about the Better Money Habits Community Project by Bank of America. This in-person guidance in areas within Los Angeles and Miami is aimed at helping beginners set up a proper track for their financial lives. There are many platforms where engaging videos, tutorials, and articles are translated into many languages and delivered to people in the local community. This is Financial Literacy 101 without taking a college class at the community college. Find out what financial retreats and projects your low to moderate community is organizing and attend them. If there are none, speak to some local financial institutions and collaborate to bring one to your community. Do you think if you or someone you know financial club in your neighborhood people will attend? Share your honest response with us in the comments. Number 2. Books. You can start reading books from the community library and then buy newer editions. There are highly recommended books like Personal Finance for Dummies by Eric Tyson, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Domings, I'll Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Recently, Kim Kardashian said people are poor because they refuse to work. That is not the kind of magazine you should be reading to improve your financial literacy. Everyone knows that poor people work the hardest, and the Kardashian-Jenner clan was born rich. You can also notice the book suggestions from financial podcasts, YouTube videos, and community events. Number 1. Financial Professionals. Some books teach you more than a college professor could ever teach you. In addition, sometimes you need your space to digest information. Nonetheless, spending time with an actual financial professional gives you an entire projection of your financial life. If you need to see the bigger picture and further predictions, then spend some time speaking to a professional. Whether the problem is current or encompasses a complex scenario, some professionals can help you structure your life to complement your financial goals. This comes at a cost, but has guaranteed results. As Manoj Arora noted, to achieve what 1% of the world's population has financial freedom, you must be willing to do what only 1% dare to do. So invest in your financial literacy pursuit for a start. Currently, we have satisfied your need for financial education resources. Nevertheless, there could be unanswered questions in this video because they have already been answered in our previous video. Why financial education is important towards financial freedom. Please click to watch it now.